A mother is a person who, seeing there are only
4 pieces of pie,
for 5 people,
promptly announces
she never did care for pie.
love as powerful as your mother's for you,
Leaves its own mark.
to have been loved so deeply,
Will give us some protection forever. When you look into your mother's eyes,
you know
that it's the purest love
you can find on this earth.
the heart of a mother is,
A deep abyss at the bottom.
of which you will always find forgiveness.
A mother is one who
Can step in everyone's shoes,
but
no one can step in hers.
my mother protected me,
From the world,
and my father threatened me with it. Don't use the sharpness
of your tongue on the mother who taught you to speak. Mother's love is peace.
It need not be acquired. It need not be deserved.
There is only one pretty child
In the world, and every mother has it. The best academy is
a mother's knee.